नमस्ते व्यूअर्स, मैं देव और आप देख रहे हैं ट्विट्स। चलिए अब नजर डाल लेते हैं इस हफ्ते की 10 बड़ी खबरों पर। द सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज वैल्यू ऑफ इंडिया हैज proposed raising the high value Dutch listed entities from 1000 crore rupees to 5000 crore rupees. This step will make rule compliance easier for big companies and improve business convenience. Tata Capital raises approx 46 billion rupees through IPO. Through its initial public offering, Tata Capital's anchor investor who bought share approx 46 billion. It is one of the biggest IPOs of 2025 with a strong demand expected from retail investors. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched the new foreign currency settlement at the Global Fintech Fest 2025 in Mumbai. India now handles more than 50% of the world's real-time digital transaction, making it fintech powerhouse. The finance minister said India's GDP is stable and domestic demand is strong. The government plan to increase capital expenditure to increase private investments and long-term development. Both the Sensex and the Nifty dropped by 500 points. Weak global market and United States Federal Reserve strict policy caused heavy selling in IT and banking stocks. India's fintech, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicle sectors are getting fresh investors. Google and Reliance Jio have joined hands to develop AI technology that will boost India's digital growth. SEBI has decided the mutual funds cannot be invested in any company before its initial offering phase. They can only invest during the official IPO stage, which increase transparency and protect investors. The International Monetary Fund said the global economy, India may face slower growth in 2025. The reason is trade tension, higher energy and inflation, but still India remains fastest growing major economy. The government has finalized the term for the 8th Central Pay Commission. The body will review salaries, pension and allowance for the government employees with change expected 2026. The central government of direct taxes updated the direct taxation avoidance agreement. The new rule will apply for foreign properties and capital gain, especially for non-resident Indian investors. ये थी कुछ मुख्य खबरें। थैंक यू।